he going to do when he gets there?
He's getting soaked out.
Look at him. It's just moved onto the another post, Mum. It's up there. It's just moving from post to post to wind him up.
It's desperate for that cake.
There it is, see?
He's not...
It's winding him up, Dad.
His tail's alert.
The bird's not scared of it. Not even in the slightest.
Look at him.
Don't laugh. Keep the film
Would he
steady.
had him in his throat?
He's not going to attack him, is it?
Where is it now?
Oh, it's just gone into another...
It's giving him the runaround. He wants...
It wants that cake.
Toby having a way.
Oh, it's getting that.
Does the dog know where it is now?
No.
Toby!
No, seriously though.
He can eat it so the bird can't have it.
He doesn't know it's there. The bird's thinking, you stupid dog.
Dad, keep filming the dog. You should have let the bird get it. Thought the bird outwits the dog.
He did, didn't he?
He must. Everybody thinks dogs are daft. Cats, birds. How funny was that? How long is it going to be?
Dad, press it. Keep filming. That's amazing.
It's back to me.
No, Cat.
Mum, for God's sake, let the bird have the thing! The hell is wrong with you?
I said it's back.
He's been trying enough, Mum. Just let him have it.
No, it's cranky. See if he does it again.
Why are you being nice to the bee?
You've put it out there for the bee.
Little ones, not fat ones like that.
Fat.
Is it gone?
It's there, it's behind the chair.
Oh, it's right close as well.
It's got evil eyes. Dad, look at it, his evil eyes.
It's a jackdaw.
That's scary. Look at it, it's got a big bit of bread in its mouth. Get it, Toby. He can't see it.
Is it gone?
Up there. On the washing pole.
It's so, you want to keep this dog.
It's eating it off the washing pole from its feet, look.
That bird is so much smarter than that dog. Isn't it? Can you believe that? Is that enough? I did not.